up, guys? Mopar for Life here. Today I will be installing Home Decorator Collection 24-foot LED indoor-outdoor color changing string lights. I purchased these from Home Depot after I was looking for some lights to kind of like get my backyard, just to give my backyard a different ambiance for the summertime. While we are going swimming and stuff like that. Just wanted to, mainly just get that party effect. But anyways, these are item numbers 1003, 194, 905. I will be installing these to see how well they fit my, just how well they fit my mood, because I'm really looking for something different for my backyard. So like I said, these are 24-foot LED indoor-outdoor color-changing string lights, black finish with clear acrylic bulbs, 3 cycle modes, warm white, color rotation, color lock. Uses 12 LED bulbs. You'll get 2 spares inside the box. You can connect up to 5 sets. Loaded with heavy-duty 18-gauge cable. And down at the bottom, brightness is about 120 lumens. Estimated energy cost 0.36, so 36 cents per year, right? That's right. And colors are red, green, and blue. So I will be taking some time this afternoon installing these up. I got a nice little, an okay little setup. I'm gonna be using some 20-gallon planters, some wine barrels that I got some trees planted in it, and I'm going to, pretty much just stuff those planters with a 1.5 by 1.5 by, I believe, about 10 foot in height piece of wood that I also purchased from Home Depot, and I'm going to be using those as pretty much just poles to string my lights across. I will get those up and we will see how good they are. You can kind of get the feeling. of what everything looks like. So that's pretty much green, as you can see. Phyllis. For $250.
What? Ow. $250 for this.